Polyvinyl chloride, commonly known as PVC, is a synthetic plastic polymer extensively utilized in various engineering applications, from plumbing systems and electrical insulation to credit cards and medical devices. But what exactly is PVC, and why has it become a cornerstone material in so many industries? PVC, or polyvinyl chloride, was first synthesized in the 19th century but only became commercially viable in the 1920s due to advancements in polymerization techniques. Its initial applications included electrical insulation and water piping, significantly impacting these sectors with its exceptional durability, chemical resistance, and versatility. Welcome to our channel UG Moltech. In this presentation, we will conduct an in-depth analysis of polyvinyl chloride, commonly known as PVC. We will explore its chemical structure, properties, and applications. Let's dive in. PVC, or polyvinyl chloride, is a thermoplastic polymer. It is synthesized from the polymerization of vinyl chloride monomers derived from petrochemical feedstocks like ethylene and chlorine. The polymer chains in PVC are characterized by their high molecular weight, providing the material with notable flexibility, tensile strength, and resistance to environmental degradation, including moisture and various chemicals. The synthesis of polyvinyl chloride, PVC, commences with the procurement of ethylene, a hydrocarbon derived from the cracking of petroleum or natural gas, and chlorine, which is electrolytically extracted from sodium chloride salt. These reactants undergo a chlorination process to produce ethylene dichloride, EDC, which is subsequently subjected to thermal cracking to yield vinyl chloride monomer, VCM, a gaseous intermediate. The VCM is then polymerized through a free radical mechanism, where the monomer units are linked into long polymer chains, resulting in the formation of polyvinyl chloride, PVC resin. Polymerization techniques include suspension, emulsion, and bulk processes, each offering distinct benefits in terms of particle size control, polymer purity, and production efficiency, thereby enhancing the adaptability of PVC for diverse industrial applications. Polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, is categorized into two primary types: rigid PVC, also known as unplasticized PVC, UPVC, and flexible PVC. Rigid PVC exhibits high tensile strength and impact resistance. It is extensively utilized in structural applications such as pipes, window, frames, and wall panels. Flexible PVC, on the other hand, is plasticized to enhance its flexibility and is commonly used in electrical cable insulation, medical tubing, and resilient flooring. Flexible PVC is achieved by incorporating plasticizers, predominantly phthalates, which enhance its pliability. This material is extensively utilized in applications such as electrical cable insulation, medical-grade tubing, and resilient flooring solutions. Polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, is an exceptionally adaptable polymer. Its applications span numerous industries including plumbing systems, electrical cable insulation, financial transaction cards, window and door profiles, medical devices such as IV bags and oxygen masks, audio storage media like vinyl records, resilient flooring, roofing membranes, external cladding, horticultural products such as garden hoses and irrigation systems, recreational items like toys and inflatable pools, and flexible materials for banners and tarpaulins. The environmental impact of polyvinyl chloride, PVC, is substantial due to its non-biodegradable nature and the release of hazardous chemicals such as dioxins during its life cycle. Implementing advanced disposal methods, including mechanical recycling and controlled incineration with energy recovery, is essential to mitigate these adverse effects. PVC exhibits a range of mechanical properties and limitations. Polyvinyl chloride or PVC offers numerous technical advantages. It exhibits high durability and longevity, excellent resistance to moisture and a wide range of chemicals, cost efficiency and minimal maintenance requirements. Additionally, PVC's mechanical strength and ease of fabrication make it a preferred material in various engineering applications. Despite its widespread use, PVC has several technical drawbacks. It is not biodegradable, leading to persistent environmental pollution. When incinerated, PVC can release hazardous dioxins and furans. These compounds are known endocrine disruptors and can pose significant health risks. Consequently, stringent regulations in many jurisdictions restrict the use of certain phthalates and heavy metals in PVC formulations. Regulatory frameworks and technological advancements are enhancing the safety and sustainability of PVC. State-of-the-art recycling processes and automated sorting systems streamline the recycling of PVC materials. The development of eco-friendly PVC formulations significantly mitigates environmental impact. PVC can be recycled, but the process is intricate due to its chlorine content and various additives. It's designated by the recycling code number 3. Mechanical recycling involves shredding PVC into smaller fragments, whereas chemical recycling decomposes it into fundamental chemical constituents. The primary challenges include the separation of PVC from mixed plastic waste streams and the management of hazardous additives. Technological advancements are enhancing the efficiency and sustainability of PVC recycling processes. The industry is progressively adopting a circular economy approach for PVC utilization. Recent advancements in PVC technology encompass its integration into additive manufacturing processes, specifically 3D printing, and the development of biodegradable PVC formulations. These innovations include the creation of smart materials with enhanced properties, facilitating more sustainable and versatile applications of PVC across various engineering sectors. The future of polyvinyl chloride, PVC, appears robust with continuous advancements in polymer science and material engineering. Significant efforts are underway to enhance the recyclability and environmental footprint of PVC. Researchers are exploring innovative applications such as integrating PVC in renewable energy technologies. The industry is focused on developing sustainable production methods and enhancing the performance characteristics of this versatile polymer. If you found this technical overview of PVC beneficial, please like the video and subscribe for more in-depth analysis of material science and engineering topics. Have a specific question or want to delve into another polymer? Leave a comment below. Your input is invaluable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.